Okay, so the speed from Kajang to Malacca is 90 km per hour. But the speed for Bangi to Kajang is not given. It's not given, so we have to calculate first the speed from Kajang to Bangi to Kajang. Speed is distance divided by time taken, time. So 18 kilometer, and then the time is 0.2 hours. Okay, what is the answer? Share your answer in the chat box. Okay, 90. So thank you. So we have the speed from Bangi to Kajang is 90 kilometer per hour. H hour. So the speed Bangi to Kajang 90, Kajang to Malacca also 90. So lastly, we can say that this is uniform speed because they have the same speed. 90 and 90. Okay, got it? Clear? Question number 2. A van travels 60 km in 30 minutes and then 80 km in 40 minutes. So before we conclude that either the speed non-uniform or uniform, we have to identify for the 60 kilometer, and the speed for the 60 kilometer, and then the speed for the 82 kilometer. So we calculate one by one. 60 kilometer. Let's say this is a 60 kilometer. And then the first point to the second point. Travel from the second point to the third one to the finish point with the 82 kilometer. And then the time for 82 kilometer is 40 minutes. The time for the distance 60 kilometer, 30 minutes. Okay. Before we make a conclusion, we have to identify speed for the 30 kilometer first. Kalau saya calculate speed. Okay, speed for 82 kilometer. Oh, sama juga, same distance, same formula. Speed is equal to distance 82 divided by the time 40. Okay, this one is 60 divided by 30. Kita akan dapat jawapan yang sama atau tidak. So, what is the speed for the 60 kilometer? 2 kilometer per minute. So, thank you, Fakihah. So, for the distance 60 kilometer, we have 2 kilometer per minute. Besarkan lagi. So, for the 82 kilometer, what is the speed for the 82 kilometer? 2.05 kilometer per minute. Thank you. (2.05 kilometer per minute). So sama atau tidak ini? MIN. Same or not? Okay. So what is our conclusion? Uniform or non-uniform? Non-uniform. Huh? Okay, thank you. Bagus. So we get the conclusion. This is a non-uniform speed. Okay, finish. Next one. Muka surat 82. Okay, solve each of the following. A lorry moved 93 kilometer in 1.2 hours and 63 kilometer in 0.75 hour. Calculate the average speed of the lorry. So what does the average speed say? Average speed is equal to total distance traveled. So we have to plus all the distance traveled divided by total time taken. So we have to plus 2, the total time taken. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time taken. So distance here we have 93 and 63. So plus together, 93 plus 63 divided by total time taken. Make sure they have the same unit. 1.2 hours and 0.75 hours. So 1.2 plus 0.75. So we get the above part is 156 kilometer. And then the time we have 1.95 hours. Okay, and then proceed your calculator. 156 divided by 1.95. What's your answer? Share your answer. On the chat box. 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, good. Thank you. So we have the answer here, 80. 80 kilometer per hour. H. Okay, done. Next one. A particle moves 140 centimeter in 12 seconds and 24 meter in 1.4 minutes. So we have a different unit for the time here. The first movement with 140 centimeter, the time in seconds, but the second movement in minutes. So we have to make sure we have the same unit before we plus together. Okay, the distance in centimeter, the second one in meter. So we have to change it to meter. Let me change, or let me refer to the question. Calculate the average speed in meter and minute, a meter per minute. So the distance we have to change it to meter, and then the time we have to change it to minutes. So average speed, let me change it in the formula. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time taken. I'll make sure the distance in meter. So 140 centimeter let me change here lah. Easy to calculate later. So 140 centimeter is equal to 1.4 meter. We divided by 100, so we get 1.4 meter. Okay, the second one is 24 meter, already in meter, so no need to change it. Okay, divided by minute. So 12 seconds change to minute. We have to divide it by 60. So 12 minutes divided by 60. Divided by 60. Berapa? 12 divided by 60. Anyone? 12 seconds divided by 60. 0.2. Okay, bagus. So 12 seconds is equal to 0.2 minute. Okay, plus with the second one is 1.4. 1.4 already a minute. Okay, and then proceed 1.4 plus 24. So we get 25.4. This one in meter. And then the time is 1.6 in minute. MIN. The short form for minute is MIN. Then lastly, 25.4 divided by 1.6. What's your answer? 15.875. Okay, good. 15 point, my number 1 and number 5 is connected. 15.875 meter per minute. Okay, so thank you for this time. So let me take a recess. So continue 1:30 later. You can stay or you can leave for a while. So see you again 1:30.